So YouTube is when we're talking about how to get business credit and crypto like returns. Like you value this. Alright, so boom, build business credit, get a core, get net 30s, ready, boom. All you need is like a Fiverr website, GoDaddy. I'm nice with this. I've been doing this shit, so I know how to get them. But like, if you like a newbie, get a GoDaddy domain because they got like this merchant in there. I think it's valid. I think it's valid. Get Fiverr, a website done for you. Somebody in Philippines, India can get you one. They get paid a lower salary, so lower pay, so they'll do it for cheap. A website, make it look, tell them make it look professional. They probably had clients that was for getting credit, so tell them make it for that, make it look professional. Look, $80, um, 20. This is fire. You do this yourself with Elementor, WordPress. I would use Namecheap. I don't know, but GoDaddy has like we're gonna get into it right now. LLC, CCs. I look. Two sources. They're both banks. You bring all your documents in there and you tell them to help you um get it to order it for you. You're gonna be valid. Alright, boom. Namecheap. They got WordPress. Yeah, Elementor. You could drag and drop the design. It's simple. Like it's not even that complicated. Or you can use somebody on Fiverr for like a simple website. Like that looks professional with like home, about, contact us. Like you make it seem like solutions professional. You gotta look white collar, like the real white collar. Like you gonna be valid. So for the lenders, seeing you as like people, they gonna approve you. Like alright, so boom, yeah, WordPress. Look, 3 day, 30-day free trial, and see pricing. Domains probably like $12. A yearly is 40. So that's like $54, and you got the domain and the simple WordPress. When you drag and drop, like less than an hour, home, about, contact us, make it look professional. A picture of you saying attractions or like some professional, like maybe valid solutions. Alright, boom. Alright, boom. This way is gonna help you. Like, alright, boom. You get a virtual address. You get a virtual. You get a business phone number, virtual address. Nav Prime. That's the main goal. They have a credit monitoring there. There's like there's Paydex and there's some NTLES scores. When you get all these accounts, try to get the ones that report to the most of those together at once. So you build in more scores with less accounts. That matters. Also, Ally Financial, they could finance vehicles for you. You could want to get box trucks and you want to rent them. See, business finance. It's on your LLC anyway. You know how people go bankrupt and all this. You get partners like you don't. You could burn it down, but why not just get some cash flow so you can valid, bro? So it's like boom, valid. Alright. Um, box trucks. Look, they got box trucks. Um, box truck. Commercial box truck trader.com. They're like 30, 40K. Alright, look. You wanna everything is loaded mad slow right now, but I'm gonna tell you, alright, so you get the DMB number after you get the LOCIN, all the documents, a folder, everything. You get the business phone number, boom, could get a coder to complete a website for you, like for 120, 300. I like yeah, 120. You could do it in less than 2 hours and 1 hour, like less than, with Namecheap or even GoDaddy has it. WordPress, 40 of a year, and then the domain is 14.com. Make it something solutions. Alright, boom, boom. Now you valid. You got WordPress, and then so it gets lit once you get like that right there. Hold on, you get business vehicle financing and lease solutions for dealers. So you go to the dealers. It's off that little seat that they finance. Shit is fire. You look. It says it like shows it right there. Like they know the program. People trying to get commercial vehicles, and then there's companies that need it for commercial purposes. You rent it to them. They make money off that. Now you get cash flow. Boom. That's what I'm trying to show you. Like, all right, boom. So you want it all cash flow and everything they financing. All right, boom. This is where you valid. This is what you mainly want to aim for. This right here. Get as many of these trade lines. Get this credit is more important because you can maximize it. Credit monitoring, its paydex, and intelligence scores. They're not like not even the vehicles. If the driver of the truck or whatever crashes and dies, like or whatever, the money for that vehicle, they're not gonna go like crazy. Like they're not gonna care. It's like LLC. It's like it's not you. It's like that's the LLC that owes it, or like God forbid that happens, but like or it just messes up because it crashed. All right, so like all right, boom. They not really care because it's like you have another LLC, you get more financing, like you're gonna be valid, like because then you want the cash flow still come in. I feel like box trust like 30, 40K. Each one of these credit unions, they're approving you for like 50K. First you wanna get five net 30s. Look, five net 30s. Boom. Nav the office where you're gonna get these credit cards shipped to you. It's gonna look like a building, a suite in it, like the glass shiny skyscraper looking stuff. Like or suites, right? You paying Opus, they're gonna report. But I'm gonna show you right now what I mean. They're gonna report. They're gonna report business credit reporting. They're reporting each month that you're paying that $99 a month, and when they send you mail, they can forward that mail to your apartment. They're gonna report, and lenders, credit unions, like they got branches. Once they approve you, they ship it to your commercial address. They not ship it to your apartment. They trying to do business de-risk, like mitigate. They knowing that your solutions, your e-commerce, your real estate, it's like, all right, boom, he's gonna have something great. It seems like I'm mitigated. That's how it has to look like. You need to be valid. All right, so oh yeah, list yourself.net. Boom. You want to make sure you like on yellow pages and all of that. So when lenders try to look you up, your website is gonna be there. That's with the DUNS number. That's in the beginning. The 800 number too is in the beginning with the DUNS number. Boom. It says individual or business. You're gonna click. You wanna list your business. Boom. Virtual office, $99 a month. See, they forwarding. Forwarding. See, they got forwarding. That's AQ. They got forwarding for sure. Like, oh, you can go there and pick up your mail. Like, cover mail. Is there a charge for? Nope, there's no charge for picking up your mail. You just go and pick up your mail. Why not? It's your credit union 50K-ish credit cards. Go pick it up. Like, They probably offer forwarding, but go pick it up. Um, Once the branch approves you in person, tell them approximately how much you want, like around 50K. The credit unions, go pick it up in your suite, like the first look. They got mail options for you there. Like they get yeah, you use it to go. There's no charge for picking up your mail. See, there's no charge for picking up your mail. Alright, boom. They let you finance trucks after, like business vehicle finance and lease options. Credit unions giving you like 50K. Alright, you go and branch for this one. So the bank can help you order one of these. Really get payments on the go for clients. So you want to be able to have that. It's gonna be like 650. That's valid. Once you pick up as many credit unions, like you get box trucks for. Bro, this shit is lit. Hold on. Look, there's more credit unions. Hold on. PenFed, DCU, PayArc. They're all gonna approve you for a branch. You ask them like, I got great credit for this business. I don't know how much you gotta approve me. Or like, what are the limits I got like for great credit for my corporation with great credit? So they got MasterCard business editions. They got a lot of products and credit unions. It's not just the banks, it's credit unions. American Express is valid too. They got big lines. It's credit unions. So once you get all of these shipped to your Opus, it's no charge to go pick it up. Pick up your mail. Boom. So you do that. Boom. Now, boom. This is where it gets lit. You use your you can use multiple LLCs and did business with a business and became your client. Boom. You swipe that 50K CC. There's no limits. You credit stack for like $250,000. Boom. Next day, it's in your LLC. You go to the teller and pull it. Boom. You pull it from the LLC. Teller pull. Boom. They used to have your amounts for LLCs. Boom. Now you got the cash. And what you need is a de-risk DSCR like investment to cover this. So the best thing to do is like business buy sell, business broker directory, call them, create relationship, tell them like what hasn't sold for like approximately 2 years that like you're not gonna gain commission off anymore. You're just gonna lose it. So I could like see if I could, you know, see what you got in that list. Boom, now you can go direct with the seller. Boom. You ask them about their business, how much you're making, the employees, everything. Boom, boom. How much would they want for it? Boom. And you negotiate like what they do after in their life on it, would they receive payments for it, and how much are they willing to hold 100% of the note for you taking it off their hands. Boom, wow, boom. You create the relationship. Boom. You took that money from the LLC, from the total, like the LLC. Boom. So whatever you gotta put down, anything less than 100, you Gucci. You got a transaction lawyer, success fee. Boom. Now you getting like businesses, real estate, fleet vehicles, everything. Like you lit, and it's like that's what I'm trying to tell you. Boom. Now you can use decentralized finance. Boom. Now boom, you got mad LOCs, mad credit. Boom. Going mad crazy now. Oh, the capital income now. Boom, great. And you got more LLC. You have a whole umbrella. Umbrellas on umbrellas, like you gonna be lit. Boom. You could borrow against the collateral of all the other credit cards. And what else? Boom. You wanna get in this crypto right here. It's the only one, and boom, still here. 205% APY, 1% daily interest. Now you got the money in circulation, and you can take off the top, like what you squeezing from this crypto. You use Gemini, Coinbase, Bitstamp, take your LLC, boom, same thing. You go to the teller, you pull off the top, boom. Now you got money in your pockets. After like they all BSCR off the top, like off that credit, you just got profits. And you're not doing shit for none of this. Like the opportunity, like itself, like it's valid. Like this is how to build business credit and get crypto and all of that. Like, and you can also do staking, because it's like the same deal. Like before, I talked about like it's similar. It's like different instruments. Same type of deal. Like you aiming to increase your staking for like your rewards, but really your portfolio is growing. So when you try to borrow against partial of your portfolio, you have a big ass portfolio. So the collateral is bigger and the returns, like this shit is fire, bro. It's not going through a lot of regulations. It's not going through what he says, what that says, and it's fire. That's why I'm like, all right, boom. Try to share you out this, like, it's great. So you valid, like that. Found it useful. You like, comment, subscribe. Peace.